Here's your news across Nevada. I'm Deanna O'Donnell. May's statewide unemployment rate rose slightly to a seasonally adjusted 6.1%. However, the rate decreased relative to May of last year by 0.8 of a percentage point. The 63rd consecutive month the unemployment rate in the Silver State decreased on a year-over-year basis. Over the month, payrolls decreased by a seasonally adjusted 3,800 jobs, the largest monthly decrease since September of 2010. Payrolls were expected to increase by 6,600, but 2,800 jobs were actually added, leading to the seasonally adjusted decrease relative to April. Job trends nationally were also weak in May. Weakness was concentrated in a single industry, administrative services, and underlying trends remain encouraging. The U.S. rate decreased from last month at 4.7%, 1.4 percentage points lower than the Nevada rate. This compares to a 4.4 percentage point differential at the height of the recession. The decline in the national rate was the result of a decline in the labor force. In Nevada, the labor force held steady during May. Over the course of the recovery, Nevada's labor force has grown markedly, suggesting that those seeking work are growing increasingly confident of their job prospects. On Friday, June 10th, the Nevada State Board of Health approved the community paramedicine agreements for 11 permitted emergency medical services. This action will allow these entities to provide community paramedicine services. EMS services who have their community paramedicine compliance agreements approved by the State Board of Health on June 10th of this year will be eligible for Medicaid reimbursement on July 1st. Per the 2015 legislative session, Assembly Bill 305, sponsored by Assemblyman James Oscarson, was passed and community paramedicine was added to Nevada revised statutes. Community paramedicine services is now defined as services provided by an emergency medical technician, an advanced emergency medical technician, or paramedic to patients who do not require emergency medical transportation and provided in a manner that is integrated with the health care and social services resources available in the community. The scope may include, but is not limited to, ISODAIC assessment, care intervention, care based on care plans developed by practitioners and/or physicians, helping a recently discharged hospital patient reestablish themselves at home, and medication reconciliation. Free HIV testing is available in Carson City, Reno, and Las Vegas on June 27th. The Nevada Division of Public and Behavioral Health urges Nevadans to start talking and stop HIV. Knowing your status is important, and testing is quick and easy. In the United States, nearly 1.2 million people are living with HIV, and almost 1 in 7, or 14%, do not know they are infected. In 2015 in Nevada, there are 477 new HIV diagnoses and over 10,138 persons living with HIV, including HIV stage 3, which is AIDS. Getting tested is the first step to finding out if you have HIV. If you have HIV, medical care and medications help you live a longer, healthier life and decrease the chance of passing HIV on to others. For more information, you can give them a call, 775-887-2190. Monday, June 20th, the state of Nevada and the Nevada Department of Wildlife will join the American Eagle Foundation, U.S. Congress, and governors coast to coast in celebrating American Eagle Day to commemorate the United States national bird. The annual commemorative day celebrates the recovery of the majestic bald eagle from the brink of extinction. The selection of the bald eagle as the central image of the Great Seal of the United States by the Second Continental Congress on June 20th, 1782, and the American values, attributes, qualities, ideals, freedoms, and democracy and heritage that the bald eagle symbolizes. American Eagle Day has been resolved in the U.S. Congress a dozen times and proclaimed by governors in 47 states to date. Nevada Legal Services and Clark County Law Library are now offering a new free series of monthly classes from June through November. The topics include criminal record sealing and civil rights restoration, estate planning, probate for estates under $100,000, know your civil rights, and tenants' rights. Participants must call 702-455-4696 to register for the classes. I'm Deanna O'Donnell. That's your news across Nevada.